Hello everyone, and welcome to this bumper Christmas edition of RAF's 60-second update. I'm recording this at the Warrant Officers Conference at RAF Enloe, and on behalf of all my fellow Warrant Officers, I'd like to send you our very best wishes for the Christmas period. The following video offers a reminder of just how busy we've all been in 2023 at home and overseas. It's been an honor for me to meet so many of you and to hear how passionate our whole force is about the vital job that we do. Be proud of what you've achieved and spare a thought this Christmas for our colleagues who've been working 24/7 to protect the UK and our interests around the world.
Throughout 2023, the Royal Air Force continues to steadfastly support Ukraine to bravely defend itself against nearly 2 years of Russian aggression. Amongst our many activities, we have flown numerous missions to deliver vital equipment, aid and supplies to the Ukrainian armed forces, and the support force supplied critical airfield fire engines. Our support helps Ukraine to fight through the bitterly cold winter. The war will not stop for Christmas, but neither will the Royal Air Force, and our Ukrainian friends can count on our support for as long as we are needed.
Royal Air Force personnel are working all over the world this Christmas to protect the UK's and our allies' interests, sometimes thousands of miles from our friends and families. We're at constant state of readiness for operations, ready to fly and flight anywhere at any time, including over Christmas. In 2023, we demonstrated how the Royal Air Force has the agility and flexibility to launch Typhoons from highways in Finland and make 22-hour non-stop flights around the world with the Atlas. This is agile combat deployment, and it sends a powerful message to our potential adversaries.
Welcome to Exercise Arctic Phoenix in Norway, where the Royal Air Force is showing that we can fly and fight even in the most extreme cold temperatures. We are out here putting our Typhoons and A400Ms through their paces, ably supported by the men and women from several Air Combat Service Support units, as we learn how to adapt successfully to the freezing Arctic weather conditions. This is an example of Agile Combat Employment, or ACE, ensuring that we're ready for any situation and able to operate from remote locations. The support of the UK population and our friends and family is vital to the warfighting spirit and morale of the Royal Air Force. So good yall from all of us at Exercise Arctic Phoenix, and thank you for everyone at home for your support.
Whether you're enjoying a well-deserved break with family and friends this Christmas, or you are one of those fulfilling a vital role when others are stood down, you should definitely feel proud of what you and the RAF have achieved in 2023. This is often a time when we reflect back on the year and look forward to the future. There is no doubt that 2023 has seen more danger and instability around the world, and it shows no signs of getting better. That means what we do as the RAF and what you do matters, and it matters more now than it has done for a long time. It matters to your family, your friends, and to the country. Without you, the great kit we might have would be useless. Your years of training and your skills are what makes the difference, protecting our families and deterring those that would take our freedoms away. We don't spend all of those hours training for peacetime. We do it because we are the country's first responders. That's why we need to be ready to fly and fight. I said when I started as CAS 6 months ago that my priorities were our operational mindset, our people, and our infrastructure. These haven't changed. I've been honest about the challenges we face and that these things aren't going to be fixed overnight. I will stay absolutely focused on these things next year too. But we all have a part to play, and I'm enormously proud of what people across the RAF have done this year. And I'm optimistic about the progress we are making. Without doubt, the Air Force today is different to the one I joined more than 30 years ago. But the importance of what we do, and the camaraderie, the teamwork, friendship, fun and professionalism that makes service in the Royal Air Force different to a role outside, still make it special. It really is no ordinary job. I hope that you all have a peaceful Christmas and New Year, and thank you.